Tell me when you push it.
It's already been pushed.
Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to flip a crepe. So what I do is I use a spatula and also like a knife, or you can use a fork. And I just try to use the knife to help me get the spatula almost to the middle of the crepe. And once you get to the middle, about like this, you kind of want your crepe to be about this consistency, you know, kind of dry, crisp on the bottom. Then flip it and be confident in your flip, like that. Then you can straighten it out if you need to, and you can kind of see how it looks crispy on the bottom. At this point, you're ready to put on your butter and your sugar, and then you can fold it up, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate. I'm gonna put on the butter like this, just kind of spread it around. And while that's melting, I'm gonna come over here and grab the sugar. And y'all probably seen me do this in class. So this is kind of the end part where it's almost ready to eat. You take about a tablespoon of sugar and you just kind of sprinkle it around like this. And finally, you take your spatula again, maybe spread out the rest of that butter if you want to. Fold it one time. Now, in my opinion, this is probably not quite done. It's almost done. Some people really like their crepes right like this. It depends on how you like them. And then you fold it over one more time and ta-da! Stop.